Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion templates for project timelines. Quick tutorial step by. To install Notion templates for project timelines, begin by opening your Notion app or website. Navigate to the template you wish to install. You can find templates directly through the Notion template gallery or by searching online. Once you've found the desired template, click on the link or button to access it. This will typically open the template in a new Notion page. Look for the button that says Duplicate or Use this template at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to add the template to your workspace. You may be prompted to select the workspace where you want to install the template. Choose the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu. After selecting your workspace, the template will start duplicating. Wait for a moment as Notion creates a copy of the template in your selected workspace. Once the duplication is complete, you will see the new template in your sidebar. Click on the newly created template to open it. You can now customize the template according to your project needs. Add tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines as needed. Feel free to change any elements to better fit your workflow. Once you are satisfied with your project timeline, you're ready to start using it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.